All right, Henry the Weeder Man here. So I got this new cylinder, and on the new cylinder for the pan, or the clamshell, I call it the pan, you have to take the 4 screws, and they're self-tapping. The new OEM cylinder doesn't come with the threads, so you got to do that. So what I do is I pre-start one thread and just carefully start it. Go in a little bit, come back out, get it restarted again. Go in a little bit, come back out. Just work it all the way down. I don't want to snap the stud. So you're going to do all 4 holes that way. Now you'll see the thread on the bolt. Take it to the top of the pan, that's it. Okay. Don't run that all the way down in there, because then you ruin them first couple threads. So start your next one. Get it started. Start straight. They're self-tapping themselves. And you gotta do all 4 this way. Nice and easy. You get more comfortable with it, you'll be more easy with it. It'll go better. I haven't snapped one, but I've driven it down pretty hard. You gotta be careful. Oops, see, come on, a little bit too far. We'll start there. I got it. Right down to that first thread. So far, so good. One more to go. It's soft. And there you go, I got all 4 of them. So that's done. So now cylinders prepped. Take them all out. And they're threaded. There you go. Okay. Now you threaded the holes. Simple as that. All right, I'm about to pull the crank out, and the next video I'll be putting the bearings on. So hopefully we got enough freezer time. And I got my bearings ready. I already got them staged. And then I'll show you that again. All right, Henry the Weeder Man out, working on an MS 193T.